Hello everyone, Tech Aid TV here. In for today's video is we have this Brother DCP-T720DW printer, and this unit is having a no printout issue. So now let me run first a nozzle print quality check in order for me to show you the actual issue of the unit. So we may now press the menu button, then press OK to select maintenance. Press OK again to choose improve quality and press OK to select check quality. And then press the start button. Then now printer will be printing the nozzle pattern or check print quality sheet. So here, let me show you the actual printer issue. So as we can see here, there is no visible printout on its nozzle print quality check. So now I will be going to show you the best method to fix this issue. Step 1. Please ensure that your printer ink tank is filled with enough ink before running or perform the ink purge operation. After confirming your printer ink level, you may now proceed into the second step, which is the manual purge process. So just press the plus button to select yes and then press the exit button. Then you may now set your printer into maintenance mode. So to set into maintenance mode, just press the menu, mono, and plus button 4 times and then automatically, maintenance mode appears on the screen. Then next step is you have to input the 76 maintenance command or purge operation. When 7 appear, press OK. Then press plus button again and set 6. And then press OK again. Then we have to input the code 6 purge type to perform for refilling the ink tube with ink. So press plus button again and set purge type code 6 and press the OK button and then mono start button to start the ink purging operation. Purge operation, it may take some time, so just wait for it until purge operation will finishes and screen return to shows the maintenance mode. And now when purge operation is completed, maintenance appears on its screen. Then input the 99 command code to exit your printer from maintenance mode. Then we may now run a nozzle check print quality to see if the purge operation fixes the issue. So here is now the current printout quality after performing the purge operation. All colors are now visible. And that's how simple it is to fix the no visible printout problem of this Brother DCP-T720DW printer by just performing the purge operation. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.